Hey fellow ninth grade teachers, I'm just making this small video to walk you guys through um, how to use this sheet. This was an idea that Miss Tui and I had just to help our students be a little bit more organized with locating their work and completing their work during asynchronous time. So we hope that if we can all be on the same page about this assignment or this sheet and this idea, that we can get our kids to be completing their asynchronous work at higher rates. So essentially, this is a Google Doc that Ms. Tui and I have agreed we're going to share on our Google Classrooms every day at 1:30, so that the students can always find this link and maybe even teach some of them how to make it a bookmark. They can go here and they can look for each of their classes and have a link to the assignment they need to work on. So, for example, on Monday, their English or their English proficiency, depending if it's an A day or B day, whichever class they have with me. If they have me for first period, they're going to click on the link right here connected to period 1. And that will take them directly to Google Classroom where they can see their assignment right here. Okay, so I'm going to show you just really quick how you can make a link for your Google Classroom assignments. So if you're in Google Classroom, and let's say I want to make a link for this assignment right here, my Holocaust videos and questions. Whenever I have the assignment, you can click on the 3 dots in the corner that give you some of these edit options like edit, delete, copy, all these kind of things. So you're going to click copy link. Okay, you can also see that when you're on the main stream. You can make links to an announcement you have, copy link. Or here's an assignment, I can go here and I can click copy link. So once you have the link copied, you're then going to go into this document, and for your class, so let's say you are world history, you can type the classes that you have that day. So let's say you have a period 2 and you have a period 5. If that link was to period 2, Google Classroom, you're going to highlight with your mouse. You're going to right click, and then you should have a link option. You can also click Command K if you're on a Mac. Now I'm just going to hit paste, Control V, because I already copied the link from Google Classroom directly, and now I'm going to hit apply. Okay, so now when the student goes to this document and they click on World History Period 2, that will bring them directly to their assignment. And they should see one that says like your work, and you can give your directions, your due dates, all of that kind of stuff. So the idea is that you can either work ahead if you want. If you're someone who's on top of things, you can go ahead and put all your links for the whole week. You can just put them on each day. So that at 1:30, every student should be able to go to this document, look at what classes they had on Monday, and complete the work for their assignments. And just remind students up here that if they, for English and math, they have us every day, so they should always do our assignment every day. And then for world history, environmental science, and then their art credit, they only need to do them on the days they have that class. So if you do not see a group of students on Monday, they should not be doing your work. If you have them on Tuesday, then they should be doing your work. So we won't worry about the A-Day, B-Day schedule here. We will just be posting which work we assigned our A-Day class that week, our B-Day class, and so on. If you have any questions, please just reach out to me. I think I'm also going to put our office hours links on here as well so students can find them easily. But hopefully this is just a way we can get students to be more on top of their asynchronous work. So remember, in Google Classroom, on the assignment, you click the 3 dots, you click copy link. Then in the document, you highlight the name of the period, right click, and do link. Or you could highlight and click Command K and paste the link there. Okay, if you need any help, reach out.